We're coming into the festive summer season in Australia, and for me that is like my favorite time of the year. Everyone's social, the weather has not been great lately, but when it is good, it is great. It just has a good energy, and I feel like I want to capture that and be able to look back on it. Lately I've just been trying to get up early, catch up with friends, take the dogs for a walk or a swim, and the moon has been almost full, so we've been watching that rise, getting fish and chips, going for rides. Today, it is the weekend. I'm working on a campaign with Salvos to do a pre-loved Christmas Christmas gifting edition. It's a beautiful day. I thought we could go for a drive, go thrifting, bring along the adventure. I need your opinion on something as well. I'm really struggling to decide what to film vlogs on. I've had this for a while. It is the G7X Mark III. I'm currently filming on my phone, which I think is like an iPhone 12 Pro potentially. I thought today I could kind of alternate between filming on these two, because at the end of the day you guys are watching it and it's about the enjoyment of how it comes across. So I'll let you know what bits of footage are filmed on this versus that. When you record audio on this, I feel like it has like a little like weird scratchy sound in the background, and I don't want it to be annoying for you guys. So let's do a little test. So audio and visual on my camera from that angle versus the audio and visual on my phone. We'll see, but also let me know what you think. We've located our first Salvos for the day. It is in Palm Beach, and I'm currently filming on the Canon G7X, if that helps for context for your decision making of what camera you would prefer me to use. And also I needed to check my notes on my phone, because if you're buying pre-loved, it's good to have a list of potential ideas, or keep in mind like who you're buying for and you know what type of themes suit them. Some tea towels, either for wrapping gifts or for like upcycling into a tote bag, or I don't know, something cute. Anything clamshell shaped. I know pretty much everyone in my family is obsessed with shells like me. A fun idea I thought as well is like maybe looking out for like vases, cups, mugs and whatnot to turn into candles, and again maybe like customize and put a cute painting or something on top of. Coasters, beaded necklaces to turn into like friendship bracelets, some scarves as well. That could be like a good gift wrapping idea. Also just keeping an eye out for like crystal glassware. Everyone appreciates that. Personally, if someone gave me that, I would be stoked. Just anything else that I come across that reminds me of someone I could potentially get. Anyway, let's go see what we can find. I'll probably shoot everything in there on my phone because it's way more discreet. I was in the op shop for like just under an hour and it is still freezing cold in there, so whatever brand this is, doing good things. I was passing through Burleigh and Darcy's working here for the summer, so I thought we could stop in and say hey to him. And then there's literally a Salvos just behind here. I don't know if I mentioned this, but my sponsored Salvo stuff isn't for this video at all. It is for a social media post, just to give you some transparency on what's going on. Oh, I can hear it doing that sound. Well, that sucks. I knew today it was going too well. The Salvos that I had planned to go to at Burleigh is apparently moving and is not open currently. And also my bag snapped when I was walking to the car, so the day has made a turn. Although I'm still very happy and on a high, so all is still good. I guess we just check out and see if there's any other Salvos open. I bet they're all closed. It's 1 o'clock on a Saturday. heading north to the next Salvos because the next one is like 15 minutes that way and I'm out and about, so I might as well keep going. And on my way through I spotted a Bunnings and I have a few projects where I need some things, including my like candle holder to lamp upcycle project where I need like a free standing light thing. I forget what they're called, but I know Bunnings has them. I hope they're in stock here. We have made it to the next Salvos. I have never been to this one, but it is in an area where people have a bit more money. I feel like there's nicer, bougier places around here, so it could be the potential that we find some nice stuff. Let's see what we have.
Very good car park.
Looks like everyone I know is getting a gift this Christmas from Salvos because I just scored. Oh, I'm exhausted. Today's been a big day. I still feel like I need to get in the body of water, so I'm probably gonna go for a swim. Actually, I gotta get home to Roscoe. I'm gonna take Roscoe out. Yeah, let's go home. I'll give you a haul of everything I found. You keen to go for walkies?